The Chingasa National Natural Park. The Chingasa National Natural Park of the Andes, northeast of Bogotá, it was made by 11 municipalities, 7 from Colombia, that are Fomeque, Chochi, La Calera, Huasca, Junín, Cachala, and Medina, and 4 municipalities from Meta, Barrio, Restrepo, and Cumaral. Its predominant ecosystems, high Andean and sub-Andean forests are moors, are a refuge for majestic remnants of fauna and flora. The Chingasa National Natural Park was created in May 1977 and approved by Resolution number 154 of June 6 of the same year, and was created as a result of Chingasa Páramo, inherited by the Muiscas and Guayupes, indigenous people who were protect this territory, as well peasant communities that inhabited the region less than 40 years ago. The park is important for its páramo ecosystems that it has for the conservation of water resources. This has been taken care of by the park workers. The things that can be done in the natural park or in camping area, take food and guide service with environmental interpreters. You can also do sports activities such as hiking, something that the visitors also tend to do frequently. They are sport fishes and bird watching. To visit the Chingasa National Natural Park, a minimum of 3 days in advance, through a reservation form. It also recommends to bring plastic boots, sunscreen, clothing suitable for the cold and waterproof. It is important that the visitors takes into account that there is no public transport service to access the Chingasa National Natural Park. It should be done in private vehicles.